Hey Jared, you wanna know the best part? What? I'm talking to Randy and he's like, yeah, you guys probably should have shut that truck off when you heard that clicking. I said, you're such a piece of crap, dude.
I wish you would, yeah, because he didn't tell me that. I said, Randy, it's clicking. I said, I'm just gonna try to drive the shop. All right. Like, dude, he would have said, Jared, do not drive it. Just haul it to me. I would have done that. But I don't know. I thought it was maybe like a fan belt or something. I didn't think it was a big deal.
Because so much you know about mechanics.
I don't know nothing about mechanics.
Obviously, I don't know that much, and I knew that was a freaking rod knocking.